Oh, sorry. I was bronzing. It's pretty fucking hot in here. Trying to get a nice little bronze. Put my shirt on. It's kind of cool. I don't know. I just got this laptop. It's pretty fucking cool. I don't know. I can do weird shit.
Somebody gave me this telephone. I think.
Wow, right? How fucking cool is it?
And she said,
Oh, we got this one too. Oh, Bad Bubba's.
I could talk to God with it, but I don't have anything to say. Here, this is for
You
you.
can do like sweet shit like this. I'm watching The Doors right now. If you can hear it, I don't even know if you can.
Andy! Oh, hi.
Yeah, let me skip to a really good part for you. I've got nothing.
Come here.
Oh, so why aren't you in Newport? Everybody else is. It's a cool place to be nowadays. In Newport. Since A-Rod lives in it. Since A-Rod lives in Newport. And you're always out there. How ironic is that? I just feel it's ironic. I don't know why. I know I'm kind of tired. But someone punched me out of it. I don't know. I thought that was pretty funny. Maybe not. Well, I hope you get this, and I don't know, get an HP or something, so I can get one. Alright, see ya. Thanks for not bringing me to Moscow.